Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to create your first Google Ads account. First, you have to go to ads.google.com, and that should take you to this page you're seeing right here. Now, you might notice it says create your first campaign. Don't worry, this is something we're not going to do. First, you need to enter your business name. So in our case, we're working with test. Second, it will ask you what should people do after clicking your ad. It's probably going to be go to your website. You don't need to enter a web page URL just yet. Now you click next. Now you should see this menu. It's asking you to add more information to save time during setup. This is something you can skip. And now it will ask you to choose your goal for this campaign. Now, if you scroll down, here's the trick. You should see this option that says not ready for a campaign, set up an account only. This is where you should click. This will take you to this menu to confirm your account settings. First, you need to select your billing country, what's your time zone, and what's your currency. These are things you cannot change later, so choose carefully. Now we continue. Now you need to confirm your account and payment settings. The first two have already been saved. If you have a code, this is the time to apply. If you keep scrolling down, you will see this option on how you pay. There are two. You can prepay or post-pay. This depends on how you want to select your funds. Now you should see payment method. Depending on the country you selected, you will see several different options. In my case, I have this bank option and then add a credit or debit card. You select. If you keep scrolling down, you should see this customer info. This is something you need to fill out. For the first, it's an account type. You have a couple of different options, whether you are an individual or organization. Now, tax information, you need to add your tax ID. Same thing. And if you have a federal tax document, a provincial tax document, or other documents, you should add those. Don't worry if you don't see any of these options. These will vary depending on the country you selected. If you keep scrolling down, you need to add your name and address, a primary contact, and then you have to agree to Google's terms and conditions. Once you scroll down, you will see these two options. About personalized guidance from a Google Ads expert. This is something that you can click yes or no, and then get tips, promo offers, testing, and feedback opportunities. I suggest you say no. Now you just have to click submit, and that's it. Your new Google Ads account is ready.